Hi friends, welcome to Lancer Short. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how to create a Google AdWords account or Google Ads account directly without creating a smart campaign. Let's get started. First, go to the google.com and type ads.google.com here. So whenever you don't know anything like even you can type like Google Ads here. You don't know about this URL. If you don't know this URL, you just type Google Ads. So this will help you to directly take you to the dashboard page where you can sign up for the Google Ads account. Okay. So usually I can go with the search options instead of ads here. Maybe these are the ads. Right? You can click on ads even. That's fine. So once you click on the link, the first account, it will automatically redirect it to the respective country. It is India. That's why it is showing English, India, and the URL. And good thing is like by the time when I'm doing this video, it is giving me offer like 20,000 ad credit when you spend 20,000. That means when you spend 20,000 rupees as a being a new advertiser, you will get 20,000 Indian rupees as an ad credit. That too with a condition of 60 days of usage. Okay, that means when you spend 20,000 rupees in first 60 days, you will get 20,000 back as an ad credit. Okay, so when you want to sign up for a fresh AdWords account, Google Ads is always redirecting to, that means in a way to create a smart campaign or otherwise a standard campaign. We can bypass the step. Okay, further just click on get started, and here mostly Google will give you small text over. You will not identify how to find out the step in order to skip these forcefully created campaigns. When you click on a login option here, it will ask you some details of your Gmail and enter the Gmail credentials and click on next. Once you click on this next, usually you will find this kind of page like as a recover, and you can like you can update it later or you can confirm it. Once you confirm it, it directly forces you to forcefully create it to a Express account. If you find out it here like Express. Google Ads Express is a different account and it is completely automated by Google. It has a very limited options. That's for new advertisers. It's a misleading option for the Google. So it will directly ask you to pick the right option here. Based on these options, it automatically create a smart campaign. This is smartness, and that's the reason most of the advertisers will create a AdWords account by choosing this option, clicking on next, next, next. Finally, they end up with a smart campaign and it's automatically running behind the screen. To bypass this step, there will be a option here, very small option at the bottom, like are you a professional marketer? Yes, I'm a professional marketer. You can click on switch to expert mode. Even though once you click on the expert mode here, Google again asks you to create a forced campaign that is called a standard campaign. Like you can't find out the small options inside the dashboard. Like you can't create a Google Ads account without creating an option. You felt like that, but it's possible to create a Google Ads account without creating a campaign. Once you click on expert mode, you will be redirected to a page where it will be displayed all the different types of campaigns. You need to pick one, but there is a small thing here. These are the like different types of campaigns like sales, leads. These are like basically objectives. Based on the objectives, it will prefer you like a search, display, video on the campus. There is a small option called create an account without a campaign. You will not find this option until unless you are very keenly looking to the screen. Okay, so if you find this option, okay, anyhow Google will not remove this option, so it will be there for a long time. So you can click on this, click and create an account without a campaign. Then your AdWords account is almost ready. That means 50% of the AdWords account is ready. Even you can enter this information later, but it is asking you to input this information forcefully here. If you are ready to use the AdWords account, try to input these details. What is the billing country and what is the time zone and what is the currency. Do remember these options can't be changed. Once you are entering these details here, be careful while entering it. Once these are fixed, it can't be changed. And you can click on cancel here if you can do it later, but if you can do it, that's fine. Okay, then once you are doing that, then the AdWords account will be get activated and it will look like a basic account without any campus. Then you can use that account by adding some funds to this and hiring a professional like me. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any additional help, just check the link below in the description. I'll help you, and I'm offering a free consultation services as well. You can check the link below and sign up for the free one-to-one Zoom sessions. Thank you so much for following me. Thank you so much for showing your love and interest. Subscribe to Lunch Short. Thank you.